Hi there, and welcome to another episode of Hello Word. I'm Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you here today. Our word of the day is arise, a B2 level verb that means to come up or appear. It's a useful and versatile word that you'll hear in many different contexts, so let's dive right in and explore it together. The word arise is often used when something begins to happen or becomes noticeable, especially a situation or problem. For example, you might say, if any questions arise during the meeting, feel free to ask. In this sentence, it means that questions may come up or appear during the meeting. Pretty handy, right? Let's look at some synonyms for arise. A few good ones are emerge, occur, and develop. For instance, you could say, a solution needs to emerge when challenges arise. Another example is, conflicts often occur when expectations are not clear. You see how these words fit similar situations? On the flip side, let's explore some antonyms for arise. These include disappear, vanish, and cease. You might say, tensions will disappear once the misunderstanding is resolved. Or, the noise will cease after construction ends. Notice how these words contrast with the meaning of arise? In everyday life, arise can be a great word to use in both casual and formal situations. Imagine you're at work and a problem suddenly comes up. You could say, if any issues arise, let's address them immediately. Or maybe you're talking about life events and say, opportunities often arise when you least expect them. It's a word that adds a touch of professionalism and clarity to your language. Let's put arise into a few more sentences to really see it in action. Doubts may arise if there's no clear explanation. Unexpected costs can arise during home renovations. A chance to travel might arise if you keep an open mind. To wrap up, we've explored the word arise, its meaning, and how it can enhance your vocabulary. We looked at synonyms like emerge, occur, and develop, and antonyms such as disappear, vanish, and cease. Now it's your turn. Try creating your own sentence with the word arise and share it in the comments. I'd love to see how you use it. Thank you for tuning in to Hello Word. If you enjoyed today's episode, don't forget to subscribe to the podcast and leave us a review. Your support helps others discover the show, and it means the world to us. Until next time, keep learning and keep growing.